My name is Ron and my wife is Pat, and we moved from Loudoun County to this particular area.
My name is Carmen Crespo. This is my husband, Harry Rust, and we moved down here from Alexandria, Virginia, down where the Mount Vernon Mansion area is.
We were looking for a place that was a one-level living in a 55-plus community. We fell in love with the design and are loving living here.
I liked the not really country, but it's not city. So it's like a mix of both. So you have the country kind of life and you have the trees and that, but you then also have all the flexibility of like the city, from the shopping and all the things that you have around. Most importantly to me, being a clinician, being a nurse, was healthcare. And we have the Mary Washington Hospital near here, as the UVA one as well.
The sizes and the position of the center aisle. And there's more space to walk around the island here.
And it's also a little taller, so a little higher, so it's really nice.
We downsized quite a bit to basically, at least one level would be 1/3 of what we had before. There are some areas that we find are bigger. For instance, the shower in a master bathroom is larger than the shower we had in our other master bathroom. The pantry that we have in the kitchen is almost twice the size of the pantry that we had before, and it has a light. The laundry room that we have here is larger than the laundry room that we had from our larger home.
I absolutely, like any homeowner, I think you'll spend most of your time in your kitchen. That's where like the family spends their time. And with this concept where you have the living room right here, it just works out really well because you can spend your time here. The other family members can be right there. You talk, you share. And so I'll spend it here once we get the downstairs done, which is going to be sooner than later. I'm sure I'll spend part of my time down there in my craft room doing my crafts.
They're so sweet. I mean, everyone it's almost like they've always known you. I'm from the country, so whenever we pass someone, we always wave, whether we knew them or not. Because sometimes we pass someone and they will wave, and my husband's like, "Who's that?" I'm like, "I don't know, we're in the country." Everybody waves at everyone. So I really like that. I mean, and everyone seems to be genuinely caring for
Very
one another.
cordial.
So I like that.
My favorite part is that I did not have to select every minor detail. There were certain pre-made packages that allowed me flexibility to kind of move things around if I wanted to. Like I wanted the cabinets that were white, etc. But I didn't have to go through each one of those details. It was set, I looked at it, and then you would agree to that and go on. Had I had to choose all those details, I'd still be choosing.
First of all, kudos to Maria. She's excellent. Oh my goodness. Whenever we came, she made us feel like we were family. We belonged here. It was designed for us. She was excellent. I mean, totally just wonderful.
There's the clubhouse with a pool. There'll be activities. There are some sports kinds of things like pickleball and so forth. You have everything here. And coupled with the fact that we're maybe an hour away from DC. So you're in the middle of Richmond and DC. You can't get a better spot.
And Charlottesville is just up the road.
And Charlottesville.
And there's plenty to do up there as well.
I think it would really benefit you. It's really quiet here. We've never had this much quiet in our lives. So it's extreme. And I'm a country girl, but I don't feel it to be desolate. I feel it to be just comforting.